Hi friends, welcome you all. So this is Krishna. So welcome to my channel, Krishna's Global Trends. So masks, how to wear the masks. So especially with the persons who are having the glasses. So because the person's personalities, the shape, the type of glasses what they are wearing is different. So that depends upon the different type of the shape of their personalities and different types of the glasses. So how we will feel comfortable and what are the techniques available to make comfortable by using the masks, because we used to go for different offices or different organizations or different places. So in order to feel comfortable we have to follow little techniques, so in order to make ourselves comfortable by using the masks. Why? Because of this pandemic days we are suffering a lot, and even I don't think so it will end soon. So we have to be protect ourselves and we have to be safe ourselves, then only we can make the others to be safe. So we will see now how to use the mask, the persons who are having the glasses, spectacle glasses. So if you are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe now and hit that bell icon. So if you hit that bell icon you will get all. So if you click on all, you will get all the future notifications as a notifications whenever you upload the video. So the persons who are having the spectacles, what are the techniques available to use the masks? So take the masks. So this is the mask what I am wearing and what I am taking. So first thing is, keep as usual your glasses straight away and try to make the masks. So this medical mask having blue and white color. So keep the white as a front inside and this blue color will be in outside. Yeah, here it is having two layers, first layer and second layer. Second layer having the stick. So you have to use the stick part to the nose and keep like this. And press here and keep you adjust your glasses as usual. Now whenever you cough, whenever you got the sneeze, so this cough and sneeze won't go to the glasses as well as to the eye, so that you have to press here completely. You have to press here. So if you press here, so automatically you are going to avoid, you are going to stop the flu coming out from the after sneezing or after cold or something else. You are going to stop here completely making things. But now here there is a one problem here. So because of this gap, so the flu will come out after your cough or cold. The flu will come out. So in order to protect, how to protect this one? So here I will use a tissue paper. So if I use the tissue paper, it will be stick completely. Make a layer like this layer, and I will keep here. I'll keep like this. And I will here. And I'll adjust this one. I will keep like this and I will press here, then this will be very comfortable and very fine. So this is the best way, this is the best method. So the persons who are having the glasses, so if they keep the tissue paper like this, and it will be very fine and very effective. Still, if you want to be very effective even, so take the cloth tape in the drugstores. So if you keep the tape, the cloth tape, if you can press here the cloth tape directly, so that you will get very easily, and so it will be very fine. Because if you are in the office or if you are in the any kind of working places, so if you use that medical tape here, that will be very fine and very effective, and so 100% security. So don't use another kind of tapes. If you use another kind of tapes, if you keep here for a long time or 6 hours or 8 hours, so the skin allergy will come again. So recommendable thing that is you have to go for the cloth type tape only. So if you keep this cloth type tape here, so that will be very fine and very effective. So this is the best method. So the persons who are having the glasses, in order to protect themselves and to make away from the outside. So third technique is twist this two threads like this. One threads here and twist here also one, and keep like this, as well as here also twist and wear it. Yes. Yeah. The persons who don't want to take the tissue paper, or the persons who don't want to take the cloth tape, okay, so this is the simple method. So by using these knots like this twist, so you will get very fine and very effective way of using the mask. So another thing is even though if you are using like this, so there is a chances of flu coming out in this area. So the flu coming out in this area, and it will go to the your glasses, as well as even if the other person is sneezing, for example he is coughing, or is the virus will come on the air and it will insert on your glasses outside as well as inside. So for that cases, how to protect from that? So while going outside, so take the sample of soap layer, just apply the soap layer at the inside and at the outside layer. So if you apply this layer inside and outside, so automatically whenever the persons are sneezing, outside person, or of course yourself, so it will come on the surface and it will stick there itself, and it won't come to the eyes. So whenever you come inside the home again, just you can straight away you can wash, you can clean that glasses, and you can reuse again. So soap applying means it is not mean that you have to apply the very thin, no, very thick layer. You have to go for very thin layer. So if you apply the very thin layer, that will be easy and comfortable for you to go out and to come again, and you can use the same kind of thing. So these are all the things you have to follow if you feel comfortable, whatever the methods, whatever techniques available. So you have to be follow the same technique and the same thing. I hope this video will help for someone else, those who are having the problem with different kind of shape and structure. So that will be helpful for you. I hope this video you enjoyed. So if you like this video, please hit that like button, and so please don't forget to write the comments, and most importantly, make your day as a great day.